Today's edition of this protein-packed tour takes us with chicken of the sea, everything bagel. 13 grams protein and 70 calories. We're gonna be doing a deconstructed everything bagel for those that are living the lighter side or gluten-free. Quick taste test first. Oh, okay. That's good. That everything bagel is right there on the front. Perfect. You could, of course, put this on toast or a bagel as well. We're just gonna go without for this one. So we're gonna take a little bit of cream cheese here and drop that down on our plate. Get the salmon out of its pouch. Some thin sliced red onion that I have. Just a little bit of that. A couple thin slices of tomato. And then top it with a little more everything bagel seasoning. And just like that, a super quick breakfast, lunch, or snack under $3. These packets are amazing. If you're looking for more ideas of what to do with them, I created an entire freebie of ideas for every brand, every flavor. The link is down below, and if you want more of this series, check out this playlist. And I'll see you in the next one.